today and continuing with our series of talk shows with eminent speakers on board on our very own E4G talk show. Being the brand ambassador and anchor of this wonderful power packed global talk show series hosted with a vision and a mission to showcase the inspiring stories and interesting discussions on varied topics to assure great experience for our viewers. As promised to our viewers, we are present with yet another interesting topic and yet another interesting speaker on board. Well, achievers are not born talented, but they possess the attitude I can do it. And that's what I want to describe about our guest today. We are presently rubaroo with our guest, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome Ms. Kaushal Sowani, an entrepreneur, textile designer, a baby wear enthusiast, and design thinker, believing in making parenting fun and easy. And it's a wonderful thing that you're doing, Ms. Kaushal. And I'm so glad to have you on board. And of course, with a lot of chasing, we could actually get you on board today. And it's a wonderful thing to have you with us. So I once again welcome you to this wonderful platform of inspiring and motivating others.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be here.
Great, great. And I it's a wonderful feeling to have a guest from a different walk of life altogether. A brief about our guest today. So, on this note, I want to quickly tell our viewers what Miss Kaushal is, all her adventures are all about. I would say it has been an adventurous journey that I've seen. Well, while I was reading, I read that she's committed in making difference in way babies are dressed, carried and cared for, and that's very beautiful thing to even read and know about. And her experience of working with children while she was a special educator and as a remedial therapist has helped us understand the needs of kids. And so she now designs and make fuss free yet trendy clothes for them. Just imagine how children must be feeling comfortable with what you design. If we could really read what their mind was saying while what you design and that they wear. Yeah, and creating clothes and ergonomic baby carriers for babies in now her full time passion. And there is always something new on her design table. Some of our clients, both pan India and internationally, includes a hospital like Jupiter Super Specialty Hospitals, and her venture has been a channel partner at various pregnancy carnivals and parenting sessions for hospitals like Surya Hospital, Cloud9 Hospital, Cure Hospital, and beautiful thing that you are doing, and also with Infant Siddha program. Her key strength is the creativity, design thinking, leadership, creating new leaders, mentoring, and motivating people. Well, while I was reading about all your, avatars, it really inspired me to actually host you and understand what is that you do with the little babies to feel comfortable. She has also worked as leader, trainer with Personality Development Committee of COVAS, and that is Kutch Samaj, and on an honorary basis, with a mission of making difference in the life of women entrepreneurs. She aspires to handhold the sisterhood to grow together, support to achieve their dreams. Collaboration over competition is what she believes in. And that's a beautiful thing. She could talk on collaboration over competition, parenting, postpartum fitness. Once again, a hearty welcome to you, Miss Kaushal. And I'm glad to have you on board with us. And so quickly, I will, dive into the my questions that I want to actually ask you and know about your journey. So, in this age of stiff competition, how do you manage your business?
So we always, it has been an endeavor to provide the best for the baby. So what we have done is that we have found out what is missing in the market. So for example, when I was expecting my child, And being an active person, I wanted my child to be with me all the time, even when I go out. Like, I wouldn't sit in the home anyways. That was my thing, that I would be active. So I said, if I want my child to be with me, then I want something which is safe for to carry her. And that is when I started researching. And what I found was, in the market at that point of time, the baby carriers that were available were not suitable or safe for the babies. Like, they were those narrow based carriers. So I said, let's make something which is safe. So in this, as you're saying, in this stiff competition, I found out the gaps and the things which were not there in the market. That is what I started creating. So even baby clothes, the size wise, in the market they would say कि हाँ ये लेके जाओ newborn का है, but then they would give size 3 months and above, instead of a newborn. So if the newborn size is this much, imagine a newborn wearing, this big jhopla top. So that is how we started, filling in gaps in between. So that is what made us stand out. So even in that competition, we always give value to the parent. Our whatever we make, whatever goes outside our facilities, always pre-washed and de-starched. So a new mother, a first-time mother, always has got too many things on the head, handling the baby, handling the routines, her own health. So we said, okay, one thing we will take out of your routine, we will pre-wash and de-starch the clothes. So all you
Okay.
need to do is just remove those clothes from the box and you can make the baby wear it, so that her one tension is taken care of, so that she can focus completely on the baby, wherein we focus on the clothing part or whatever else is required. Having said that, we also have ensured that everything is 100% cotton of highest quality, and it is super soft. So uh, it is absolutely perfect for babies delicate skin. So when we started taking care of these little things, so that is what kind of made us stand out of the competition.
Absolutely, that's a wonderful thing. And blessed are the people who buy your designs. That they always, the comfort for the child is the first priority. And also, owing to the present pandemic situation, we all know that how hygienic stuff should be used, and
Absolutely.
the parenting during for the new parents. It's a really a challenging task right now to have a safe development of a child. That's a commendable job that you're doing. So what is the USP of your product? As you said, that you ensure the quality. That's what
Absolutely. We ensure, so there are few things that we take care of and that has to be there in our product. Our product doesn't go out of a facility if these things aren't ticked. So one is the appropriate sizing. So whatever is available in the market is, even if you kind of, search online for baby sizes, they would be as per the Western baby sizes. So even whatever is available in the market is one size, two sizes up. So this is what, again, a USP, that we maintain the Indian baby sizes, you know.
okay.
And just yesterday, last night I got a call from a parent. He said that, my baby is a preemie, born in the 8th month, barely 1 kilo, and we cannot find preemie clothes anywhere. And we got
Okay.
your reference from another parent for whom you made preemie clothes. So I said, definitely, let's catch up and like, obviously over the phone, because I don't want to go and meet her and I don't want her to come over in this situation.
Absolutely.
So I said, let's catch up and see what best we can do. So we make tiny clothes also. So we cater to the parents' needs, what the parent requires. So sizing is one, pre-washed, de-starched is one, softest cotton. Okay, then the prints are exclusive. Uh, you won't find these prints anywhere in the market. And another very cute thing happened, that somebody sent a photo. She lives in Texas, and she sent a photo 4 years back where what her baby had worn, a kimono. Same kimono her second kid is wearing now. And she was so happy. She said, I have made my elder one wear this almost every single day because it is so comfortable for her. And now my second one is wearing it. The print is as it is, the color is as it is, nothing has changed at all. It hasn't even shrunk because market bought में एक tension रहता है ना shrinkage का.
Absolutely.
So we take care of that. So that is what. So see, the thing is, I put my child in that situation. So if I don't want something for my child to, wear or use, I should not be using it for somebody else's child. So that is the
Absolutely.
concept that we have in my mind. In anything that we design, anything that goes out, whether it is safe and suitable for a child or not.
Absolutely, because as we said that it's very easy to make products and sell them, and
Exactly.
but to maintain that consistency and to have that kind of clientele where they trust you for their baby, the newborn baby, that's a very big achievement. And I just love the name of your company, that Jolie, Jabla, and more, and that's a beautiful name by itself, and beautiful one
So
too.
there's a story behind it, very cute story. So Zoli is basically a mother. हम लोग जो आंचल बोलते हैं. So in Maharashtrian it is called Zoli. In Kutchi
Okay,
or in Gujarati it is called Joli. So I'm a Kutchi married to a Maharashtrian. तो वो Zoli से
okay.
आ गया. So first we started with baby carrier. So when I was expecting, so as I said that I wanted to start wearing my baby, and what I could find is only narrow based carrier. So I started making carriers. The first
Oh,
carrier I made for my daughter. ऐसे कि मार्केट में जो अवेलेबल है प्लस इंडियन वेदर के हिसाब से नहीं है. दे वर वेरी फोम पैडिंग होता था, एंड दे वर rexine material के. See, our tropical climate, we cannot have anything which kind of causes more heat. Cotton or linen is the best at this point of time in this
absolutely,
summer.
yeah.
So I made something for my daughter, and people saw and they said, "Why don't you make for us?" So वैसे Zoli शुरू हुआ. So we started with Zoli slings. Then there was another parent in one of the ISP sessions, Infant Siddha program session. So she saw and she said, "We really love your the feel of your products, but and I don't have anybody at home to make the trousseau for the baby. Why don't you make something for our baby?" And she was expecting. She was in the ninth month. So we made some cute jabla. So that is how it started. First we made jolis, then we made jabla, and
And
then we
more.
started adding into zoli, jabla, and more.
Oh, beautiful! Very, very, very. I say a very cute name, and that's so beautiful to know. So how do you manage your work-life balance? Because you yourself as a parent, and with this. Kids are very demanding. We all know as parent, kids are very. So how do you manage your work-life balance?
So yeah, so it has been a roller coaster ride having a baby and having the work as well. So what we always maintained was having our child together. Like I wanted to give my 100% to the child, to my baby. So we kind of in manage our entire business or our entire venture around her. So my husband, he's a cinematographer. He makes movies and ad films, but whenever he had time he pitched in. So in between the shoots, in between the breaks, he would kind of support me in my business. Now also the baby carriers that I started making, so I would carry my daughter and go to the hospitals or go to the meetings to meet the doctors or go to the parents to kind of train them. So that is how I used to manage. So having the carrier made me quite independent. Having the baby with me made me quite independent. So I could fulfill her needs as well as at the same time I could do my work. And there were times when she started talking. So there were times when I would be explaining something to the doctor, she would say, "Mama, but you didn't say this. Mama, but you
Oh,
forgot this."
so cute, so cute.
So
She's
she
very
was so used to the discussion of the tutorial, the key
tutorial.
features. So she was so used to it.
I'm sure she must have been a baby designer by now. Must be giving her inputs. Mom, do it like this. We like
Absolutely.
to wear these kind of clothes. So that's a beautiful thing.
So
So,
she did kind of, design something for the Diwali hamper that we made. So she's 11 years now. So last year she did kind of say, "Ki, let's make this, add this in the Diwali hamper." So we do take inputs from her as well. Being a child, for her it's easy to, for us sometimes it may be difficult to come down at that level, but for her it is like, do this. This is more better. This doesn't go well. This goes well. So
and
many times in
yeah,
the baby
absolutely.
carrier
So I guessed
competition.
it right. So
Yeah,
I guessed it right.
right, right.
And our children are the best critics. They will say what is right, what is wrong, and they will make sure we do it that way.
And on the face, no
Absolutely.
sugar coating.
They're very blunt with that. That's very true. That's very nice. And while you're talking about your child, I also read that your child is an avid reader. So how did she pick up love for reading and all? Are you also into reading?
Yes, so yeah, so I am a reader. I love reading. Abhi to we have all these gadgets and all, but there was a meme going around. I saw recently on Facebook that there was a child sitting on the breakfast table reading the contents of the cereal box while having the cereal. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. So it was written the kids in 90s did not have gadgets. So actually, I could so much resonate to it. Because that time, well, no, I was pre 90s, so तभी तो दूरदर्शन और ये सब था. So we didn't have much, So
much true.
yeah, newspapers and books were the only thing. So I started reading. My parents were into reading. I started reading. And around my house, every nook and corner has some or the other reading material.
Oh,
So
wonderful.
either it would be newspapers or it would be some, facts, thousand facts का book, या तो some or the other. मेरा भी कुछ reading material रहेगा. But to be
Okay.
very honest, I did this course called Infant Siddha Program, which the premise is that babies are born linguists. So the baby can read, the baby's brain has the capacity to read from, first year of life. Even before that, like, first few months may, and we did see that with her, that she could pick up words pretty well. She is an early speaker. And the one beach mein she had stopped reading completely. Then I think when she was around 2, 3 years back, so I just told her one thing, and that kicked off the reading habit completely. She just picked it up. I said, whatever is there in the book, create a movie in your mind. And the beauty of it is, my movie will be different from your movie.
Your movie.
And
Absolutely.
that is the time I gave her Matilda to read. Okay, my friend had managed to bring it from some library, and I gave her Matilda. And then next day she read Matilda. Next
Oh,
week, next week we introduced Charlie and Chocolate Factory to her in the same way. And then she
wonderful.
was hooked on. And then फिर Harry Potter आया and everything. So now she finds out, अच्छा ये movie है, इसका book है क्या? Let me see. And then she compares. And then my husband is there, who's a cinematographer. So then they discuss. ये मूवी में ये शॉट बराबर नहीं था, बुक में डिटेल में दिया हुआ है.
Oh wow! So we have a very a power-packed family where father is into direction and mother is into designing and the child is an avid reader. So I'm sure it's a beautiful combination of all talent in house.
Thank
So
you.
I really want to talk a lot with you, but the time is always a constraint. I'll quickly ask, what are your plans for future?
So what we want to do is, there are two things, okay, with respect to our business and overall growth. So one thing that we have always thought, always had in our mind is empowering others. Whatever skills, whatever talents that we have, we can train the other person who want to grow. So that is one thing, whether it be entrepreneurship, empowerment, या तो फिर leadership. Like there are some parents now who may not be very academically, they may not be very, their skills may not be strong, but then at this point of time they want to teach their children. So then I kind of, given my background, I guide them how to develop reading skills, or even go beyond that, how to develop mental fluency in the child. So that is one.
Absolutely.
Another thing is with our venture, we kind of want to make sure that each and every child is reached, each and every parent is reached pan India, so that they understand the safe carrying methods, safe yeah, baby wearing methods, and what else? There are so many things for me to do.
To
So sometimes
absolutely.
putting it down in one sentence becomes very difficult.
Absolutely. So these are wonderful, absolutely growth plans that you are doing for your future ahead, and it's absolutely very inspiring. This being a women's special episode, I also want to know any takeaway that you would like to give to the young girls, to the young listeners.
Follow your dreams.
Yes,
Follow your dreams. Don't think too much कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. You have a dream, implement it. You don't know how it will pan out, but then if you have an idea, go ahead, jump into it. Maybe after few years down the line ऐसा नहीं हो कि अरे मैं तभी करती थी तो अच्छा होता था. So just follow your dreams. Another thing that I would also say is collaborate. वो कंपटीशन का जमाना गया अभी. So always get together and move ahead, and support each other.
absolutely. They are very good takeaways that you said. Following our dreams is one thing that we have to be persistent with it. It
Absolutely.
cannot be that today only I put a post on LinkedIn which says talks about self affirmation. And that has to be a way of life. It cannot be that we do today and tomorrow we forget.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And also the second thing that you have mentioned, that at times we don't realize that we have so much of capacity, capability, but we think no, हम अकेले ही कर लेंगे सब कुछ. We don't believe in being collaborating with others. So a team definitely does wonders. So thank you so much, Miss Kaushal. It's a wonderful, and I would love to actually meet your daughter as well. But definitely we will catch her up for the next episode. In the end, I just want to say one thing. A lamp doesn't speak; it introduces itself through its light. And achievers never expose themselves, but the achievement exposes them. And that's what I like to tell about you.
Thank you so
Wonderful,
much.
and you're worthy every appreciation. Thank you so much, and it was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you too and being on this platform. Thank you.
E4D Talks is brought to you by ISECI, Indian Ex-Defence Service Employees Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Thanks to its vast veteran network and global and pan-India associates, ISECI can carry out various commerce facilitations and CSR projects across India and the world. Some of ISECI's core capability areas are Skill India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, any ex-serviceman welfare or job program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan related projects, telemedicine and healthcare training and job scheme, Save Water scheme, defense industry SME, MSME cluster and hub development, maritime training and inland water training with job facilitation, Canada study, job and permanent residency opportunity, e-commerce, Andaman and Nicobar commerce opportunities. ISECI's global reach includes countries like Indonesia, Slovakia, Canada, Nepal, Singapore, Rwanda, USA, UK. Above all, it is ISECI's effort to create a veterans brand made by the veterans, for the veterans and made up of the veterans. Every Indian's support is invaluable in this journey. ISECI is a registered society for ex-servicemen's welfare and envisions that every veteran should be a part of India's economic growth story. It is the aim of ISECI to create an enabling commerce platform that will empower and synergize the Veterans Talent Pool. This is possible only with the support of entrepreneurs, businesses and consultants from civil society. All proceeds, if any, are utilized for the welfare of ex-servicemen and for public charity.